just wanted to come and do a quick video of a bag that I got recently in the recent drop, one of the many that I actually received. But I was sitting here drinking my coffee as well as working. And I wanted to come and share with you guys an item while I'm doing this. I figured it's a beautiful morning. The sun is out. As bright as it is, I even have my umbrella up right now. But I wanted to come and share with you guys what I got the other day. I did do a lot of purchasing online with the drop, but this particular item I did go into the store to get. I was going to go to my recent outlet, but my local store ended up having it. So I wanted to share with you guys what I have received and just kind of share and tell you my thoughts and what your thoughts are at this point. So I do love this, you guys. Look at this. I received, this is from the WW Women's, when they had the women's thing. I love stuff like it. It has champions of courage, self-expression. They still had these left and remaining. I like this. This is pretty dope, I felt like. And I remember my local coach was having a little event that they had that I went to. So that's something just to add. But yeah, I want to go ahead and jump into it. Like I said, I was going to drive to my outlet, which is about 45 minutes away from me, but my local Coach store has been carrying some of the outlet items. And so you guys, this is why it's important to have a relationship with your essays, because my actual essay reached out to me and was like, hey, we received this. And I was like, oh, look, I was going to go get this item today. I'm so happy. So I end up going to the store. And I would rather get the items from my essay than to actually just purchase them online or go to a different store. So without further ado, let me move my coffee, you guys. Let me take a sip real quick. Okay, so, sorry. And as you can hear the planes and whatnot, let me go ahead and jump into it. Set her here. But also, you guys, let me show you what I got. I'll set the bag over here. So, I got of course, anytime you can get a charm made, a tag made, you know, now they have that new rule. You have to get a bag purchase. So that I did get a tag made. And I wanted something girly this time. I mean, not that they're not girly, but I wanted something like girly. So I got a heart, a ladybug, a bow, and a bee in this. This is the moonlight color. And then, you guys, my essay is so creative. I wanted something different. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen these little shoe charms. This is a shoe charm. She's like, I was asking her about those little button charms that I've been seeing a lot of people doing, but she said those are like the main Coach stores that you have to get those with, like a Virgo or whatnot. But she did say, we have these. What do you think about this? And I thought about this, and I want you guys to see, it is a tabby charm. These are actually shoe charms. It was only $20, but you guys, I can use this as a necklace, because they have a tabby necklace like this, a charm. This can work out. So if you're interested, they had dinosaurs, all sorts of things, and just $20. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Pretty dope. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and get into the bag, okay? So here we are. And again, she is a outlet bag. Now here is the interesting thing. When I go into the outlet, to the actual outlet, I don't know if you guys notice, the outlet, I never get my bags like this in the store, fully warehouse wrapped. But if I go to my local store, the local store does give me them fully warehouse wrapped. And I wonder if that's because that's how they ship them. But I never get them like that in the store of the actual outlet. So FYI, if I get them shipped, sometimes they're wrapped, sometimes they're not. But this particular bag was wrapped, and like I said, I went into the store and got it. Okay, so this is the signature Chenille Etta Flap. So hopefully you guys can see that with the sun. Okay, she is a pretty popular bag that I've noticed a lot of people are now catching interest in. I had not seen a lot of people talking about it when the release was happening. I thought I knew kind of what I wanted to do and what I wanted to get in advance. So let's go ahead and move all this stuff out the way, you guys. Like I said, it came fully wrapped, so let's remove this. Okay, so here's the bag. It's not a snap. It's just like my slouchy Rogue. So if anyone is not liking the button here, the release button, then this might not be the bag for you. Although I've seen a lot of people complaining about it. It is not an issue once the bag is filled. If you're trying to do it while the bag is empty, then yes, you are going to have those issues, okay? So let me go ahead and get her unstuffed. Now, the texture is a little different. It gives me like one of the vintage bags. So inside we have the microfiber in this beautiful chocolate. It is just in one open hole. It does have a slip pocket, one slip pocket that your cell phone and whatnot can fit in inside. Notice that once I have taken everything out, how it automatically instantly starts to have that slouch. It is a very slouchy, flexible bag. It has the gold hardware of the Coach logo here. It does come with a Coach tag, but also it comes with the key fob, which is what I call it. I don't know if this is actually called a key fob. I'm assuming it's a key fob because it holds keys, as you can see. So you can pull that out and attach your keys. Do anybody ever use this for that? I don't. I don't like my keys dangling off my purse. But if you do, put a comment in the chat and let me know. On the back, you have a zipper compartment on here as well, which has gold hardware. And again, it is big enough and it goes to the end, so it is big enough for your cell phone. It does not have a detachable strap. I'm sorry, it does have a detachable strap. It does not have a crossbody, but it comes with just one strap. But you can, if you have other bags, add to this because it has this strap here. Okay, and look, she's just emptied out. So again, here is the tag if you're interested. It is the large one. Now I did order the smaller one as well, because I wanted to kind of compare. She can fit a lot. Again, it's one big gaping hole. Let me go ahead and connect her. You have 3 adjustables on each side. So 1, 2, 3. And I'll go ahead and adjust her to a shoulder bag. She is just a stroller bag. But if you use your creativeness, which you guys know I am, I'm thinking of other bags that I might have a longer strap with that I can utilize this on. So, like so. This is her empty with nothing in it. Okay? She is a beautiful chocolate brown called truffle. Truffle is the color that they're saying this is. It's a truffle and chocolate. Now, my only issue, and I don't know if it's an issue, my opinion maybe, it doesn't have feet, okay? It does not have a leather bottom as well. I'm trying to figure out, my concerns is, I'm trying to figure out what this material reminds me of. I thought it would be softer. I don't know. It gives me a dry cloth like material. I don't know. It's definitely an interesting feel. Almost like your old grandmother's vintage sofa kind of feel. So if you're looking for something to be super soft and gushy, it's not fuzz, it's not really fuzzy, it's smooth. Um, but it's definitely an interesting feel. Let me fix this. It's definitely interesting. And so I have to see if that's something that I'm super, I have to see, you guys. I don't know. It's definitely for the price is what I'm trying to feel. Like, um, retail, we know the prices have gone up on the prices because again, we've made it such a popular brand. Coach has always been the thing, don't get it twisted, but we've really pushed it out there with all the social media and all that, and everyone's marketing that Coach is doing their thing. Like, I believe today they're doing an increase on like the rolling, the Rogue, not the Rogue, the Rowan bag, certain things that everybody wants. They're raising the prices up again. This would be like the third increase, and I get it, marketing. It makes sense. But I don't know, you guys. I think this was $269 if I'm not mistaken. Let me take a look. And to me, the leathers were cheaper. So that's I guess that's where my question comes into play. Yeah, this was $269 plus tax. So $269. I don't know. This one is kind of one of those bags that I'm on the edge. I don't really know if it's one that I'm gonna keep. I just I don't know. I'm gonna have to really consider. It's definitely a unique piece, but I don't know if I can see. I don't know. I'm interested in the wear and tear. To me, I'm all for leather, right? But this one, I don't know. You guys tell me what your thoughts are on this bag. If you received it, if you looked into it, have you considered this bag? Have you seen it in person, or even if you ordered it? What are your opinions? What's your pros or your cons about this particular bag? It is definitely a new silhouette, which I do love, and I've been trying to add to my archive, just different bags that I don't have. So I'm loving that Coach is coming out with that, but I'm just on the fence about the particular material. So you guys tell me what your thought is, and leave that in. But if you've stayed this long, you guys, I wanted to just kind of throw out a little Easter egg. You guys, I have reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So if you've stayed this long, please, if you're interested in my giveaway for hitting the 1,000 subscribers, and I think I'm over that at this point, please make sure that you're following me on all of my social medias, which would be Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You have to be a subscriber. And then put in the chat below that if you're interested in, let me see what my word would be. Put in the chat blue or leopard. And whatever you select, if you're pulled, if you put blue, you'll receive the blue gift. If you put leopard, you'll receive the leopard gift. But thank you all for, staying with me and coming back and watching my videos and just, entertaining me and, just helping me build this community. I truly, truly appreciate you all. And I am super happy of where this channel is going, and I appreciate you all. And don't forget, share my channel, you guys, so that everyone can kind of participate. But yeah, if you stayed, this is the instruction. You have to be following all of my social medias. It's the same tag, Lux Taylor 1, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube. And then also post in the chat, you have to put of this video, blue or leopard. And that will be based off the gift. But thank you guys so, so much. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. And I will be back soon to share with you guys some additional items I received. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great weekend.